Hello dear friend and welcome to today's lesson. This is Language Booster TV and I'm your teacher Eric Munani. Recently we have started a serial program, serial lessons which aims to teach you all 12 tenses. And this is part 3. In part 2 we have uploaded present simple tense. You have seen the use and the form of present simple tense. And today we are going to see present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. How do we form this tense? How do we use this tense? When do we need to use this tense in our daily conversation? Yes, we can ask ourselves again, what are the common mistakes we should avoid when we are using this present continuous tense? Great. Before we start, read the following sentences and